Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the cells you want to become usable numbers. This step triggers the conversion process. Next, make sure those cells aren't stored as text. Excel shows a green triangle or alignment if they are. Once done, use data text to columns on the selected range and choose delimited, then finish to coerce many text number patterns. You're initiating parsing and forcing Excel to reevaluate the values so later formatting and calculations behave correctly. Now convert and normalize the values so formulas work predictably. You can wrap a sample in value or use substitute to strip commas and symbols, for example substitute A1, then value around it. Alternatively, enter 1 in a blank cell and paste special multiply to coerce text numbers. Make sure to remove non-breaking spaces with trim and clean where needed, and convert parentheses to negative signs if present. These steps standardize data for sorting, filtering, and calculations. Finish by applying the appropriate number format. Choose number, currency, or percentage, and set decimals to the precision you need. Use custom formats for units or leading zeros, for example 00000 for zip codes. Once formatted, copy the cleaned numeric results and paste values over originals to lock them in. If things go wrong, check one key troubleshooting tip. Rerun text to columns or use LEN to find hidden characters, then remove them and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.